Installing Git. Now we will install the version control system Git. Git is a distributed revision control system. The project was created for development of Linux kernel. In order to install it, you have to write a number of commands in the console. First, download the Git core PPA repository. Type the following line and press Enter. Press Enter once again when the repository installer asks you to. Write the command to unpack the downloaded repository. After it has been unpacked, write the command to install Git. You will be asked to allocate space for this program on the hard disk. Press Y to continue. When the installation is completed, check whether everything was correctly installed. Write the command to see the installed version of Git. Installing Java. First, we install Java. We need Java Development Kit version 8 or JDK 8. It is a set of tools and a virtual machine that allows running and developing programs in Java. You need to install Python software properties using the following command. The console can ask the password from your account in order to install software. Type it and press Enter. Then download the Java by Web Update Team repository using the command. Unpack the repository by command. And install it using the command. The installer will ask you to read and accept the terms of the license agreement. In order to continue, press OK and Yes. Now install the JDK component itself. Download the repository using the command. Press Enter if the program asks you to. Type the command to unpack the repository. And install its contents using the command. Press Y to continue. After installing JDK, you have to install the Java Home System variable. First, download the text editor using the command. Open the system file environment using the text editor. Enter the password and press Enter. Find the folder with the installed JDK. By default, it is located in File System, in folder USR, lib, JVM, Java, 8 OpenJDK AMD64. Click the right button of the mouse, choose Properties and copy the path to the folder in the clipboard. Write the system variable in the environment file and assign it the value of the copied path in quotation marks. Press Save and close the text editor. In order to check that the system variable is installed, write. To save the setting in the environment file, write. Type the command Java version in order to check whether everything was correctly installed. Installing Maven. Now let's install the build automation tool Maven. Apache Maven is a framework for project build automation basing on the description of their structures and files in the Project Object Model or POM language. The POM language is a subset of XML language. Maven is developed by Apache Software Foundation. It is available for download from the official website. In the line binary tar.gz archive, click on the link in the link column, and the file will be downloaded automatically. Open the terminal and go to the folder opt. The downloaded file is located in the Downloads folder. Right-click the file, choose Properties, and copy the path to the file and to the clipboard. Unpack the downloaded archive to the folder using the command. Enter your password and click Enter. After the archive has been unpacked, you need to install the system variable m2 home. Open the system file environment using the text editor. Write the line. Pay attention to the version of the file you downloaded. It might be different. You need to add a colon in the following line to the path. Save and close the text editor. Write the following commands so that you can use Maven in the console by typing the combination mvn. Now open your browser and type Maven bash completion in the search line. Click the first link in the search results and find the line. Copy it to the clipboard and paste in the console. This script boosts the work with MVN by using hints and autocompletion with tab key. Write the following command in the console MVN version. If you see the current version of Maven, it was correctly installed. Installing NLP Cloud Moscow. Let's download the NLP Cloud Moscow program library. The work on the NLP Cloud Library for Natural Language Text Processing, or NLTP for short, began in 2012. At the present time, there are two versions of the library: NLP Cloud Moscow in National University of Science and Technology MISIS and NLP Cloud Kazan in Kazan Federal University. The NLP Cloud Moscow version is designed for desktop applications for deep NLTP. The long-range objectives of NLP Cloud Moscow include spelling correction, homophony and homonymy disambiguation using syntactic models. The library is written in Java using UIMA framework. Before you download the library, make sure that you have installed JDK, Git and Maven. The NLP Cloud Moscow library is available for download from bitbucket.org. Choose NLP Cloud from the list of directories. Select the link next to HTTC and copy it to the clipboard. Open the console. Create test folder using the command mkdir test. Go to the created directory using the command test. Type the command git clone, paste the copied link after it and press enter. The directory will be downloaded to the test folder in your computer. Create a TMP folder in the catalog with the test folder. Inside the TMP folder, create two more folders, in and out, where the input and the output text files will be stored. The test file can be downloaded from copy the test file to the in folder. The correct execution of the pipeline requires Stanford PoS-tagger, a program for part-of-speech tagging. Return to the console and type the command cd NLP Cloud. Now type the command that will install the PoS-tagger. If the program is successfully installed, you will see the phrase build success. Now write the command mvn compile. The line build success in the console means that everything was installed correctly. Running the pipeline for spelling correction in English. Let's run the pipeline for spelling correction in English. First, you have to check whether all the required programs such as Java, Git, and Maven are installed on your computer. Subsequently, write the following 3 commands in the console. If console shows you information about these products, they are installed correctly. Second, make sure that you have downloaded the latest version of the pipeline. Change to the folder test NLP Cloud using the command and write git pull. If a new version of the pipeline is available in the repository, it will be automatically downloaded to your computer. The line already up to date means that you have the most recent version of the library. Now you can run the pipeline. Change to the releases folder by typing cd releases and then change to the folder with the latest version using the command cd folder name. In our case, it is folder 2511-2017. The output file defines the file where the output collection will be written. If this file does not exist, it will be created automatically. The output XMI file defines the file where the results of the program execution will be written in XMI format. The input directory defines the directory with the input collection. The path after the angle quotes is where the log of the program execution will be stored. If you choose already existing files for output collection and logs, new data will be appended to these files. Press Enter and the execution of the program will begin. It can take up to 15 minutes depending on the characteristics of your computer. During the work of the program, the command line can show you some warning about the possible errors in the log. These errors are not critical and they do not influence the execution of the program. The output files are located in the folders that you wrote at the launch. The NLP Cloud Moscow program received a file containing 100 tweets with spelling mistakes. The program corrected these mistakes and created an output file. You can find the resulting file in the directory.